So if you're ready to submit for the Noun project, here's the last few steps. Once your icon is all ready to go, you should be able to select around everything. And in the properties, you should see that there's no stroke and a black fill. You need to click on fill and make sure it's 100% black. So whether you're in swatches or color, switch over to CMYK. The C, M, and Y, the cyan, magenta, and yellow should be at 0, and the black should be at 100. Okay. With the art selected, the first thing you want to do is pathfind, unite, and then go up to object, compound path, and make. After that, we need to size it for the Noun project. So figure out which is your largest dimension, width or height. On mine, it's height. Make sure this link is clicked, so they're linked. And whatever the largest height is, make that 100 pixels. So just type in 100 px and apply that. And it will change the other dimension for you since they're linked. With the art still selected, we're going to fit the artboard to the art. So we're going to go back to the object menu, all the way down to artboards, and we're going to tell it to fit to the selected art. Now the Noun project would take it this way, but they prefer having a little bit of border. So while the artwork is still selected, let's make that longest dimension 90 pixels now, 90 px. And that'll give it a nice even border all the way around. So your icon is now ready for the Noun project. We're going to go to the File menu and go over to Export As. Title it. I'm just titling it my last name and whatever I would title it on the Noun project. Make sure you know where you're saving it. This time the format is going to be an SVG, a scalable vector graphic. If you don't know which artboard is yours, you need to go back and check which artboard. Check Use Artboards, tell it which one you want to use. When you hit export, all of the defaults are fine. Okay, so once you've exported, you can go to the Noun project and upload your icon.